In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download documents from a DocuSign envelope. To get started, sign into your DocuSign account. Make sure you're using the correct account where the envelope is stored, especially if you manage multiple profiles or workspaces. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main DocuSign dashboard. From there, open the Agreements page. This is where DocuSign keeps your envelopes and related document activity. Depending on your layout, you may see a list of recent envelopes right away, or you may need to click into the Agreements section from the main navigation menu. Next, locate the envelope that contains the documents you want to download. If you have many envelopes in your account, it may help to look for the envelope by title, status, or date, so you can find the correct one more quickly. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the right envelope before moving on. Once you find it, click the envelope's title to open its details. This will bring you to a page where you can review the contents of the envelope, including the documents that were sent or signed. Now click Download. This opens the download options for that envelope and lets you choose exactly how you want to save the files to your device. When the list of documents appears, select all the documents in the envelope. This ensures that everything included in that envelope will be downloaded, rather than just a single file. If you only need certain files, you can review the selection carefully. But for this process, make sure all documents are selected. After that, choose how you want the files to be downloaded. If you want each document saved as its own file, select Separate PDFs. This is useful if you plan to organize, share, or upload the documents individually later. If you'd rather keep everything together in one PDF, select Combine all PDFs into a single file. This option is often more convenient when you want one complete record of the envelope contents. Once you've chosen the format that works best for you, click Download again. DocuSign will prepare the files and save them to your device. Depending on your browser settings, the documents may go straight to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save them. After the download finishes, open the saved file or files to confirm everything downloaded correctly. Thanks for watching.